So, I have a mail call video from Nigby. We did a trade. He sent me some things. I've been wanting one of these for a long time. I know they're not the most advanced things, but I like them and I had never had one, so I got that right there. He sent me this Union. A Yale. If I had to guess, this is probably the one that has like the GG style pins in it. Oh, he sent me an Era that he said had interesting pins, I believe. So we got the Era. We have the, I'm not quite sure what that is, but that's the bidding. This is a Dormakaba branded something. Can you see the wording in there? And then the hard part's going to be tensioning it. I mean, I guess maybe I can do it from there, but we're going to have to figure that one out. An ABS. I don't know if this is the Avocet with the magnetic pin or not. Again, have to figure that out. I believe this is a multi-lock Garrison. Yeah, there's 7, so that's that. And he sent me a multi-lock, probably classic, because it doesn't look like a interactive. But that is savage bidding for a multi-lock. Look at that. That's gonna be a pain. And he sent me this wafer lock. So, you know, pick one in the video. We'll do the wafer lock. If I can get my tensioner in there, because it's in my vise pretty weird. I'm gonna use the number 3, the Reaper set. Let's throw 1, I'll throw 2, maybe click out of 3. 3. Okay, 1, 2. 3. Maybe I didn't have 3 set high enough. I don't know. Watch this thing embarrass me. Jesus. Three again. I don't know. 1, 2, 3. My tensioner is slipping. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there it is. Alright, yep, so we got it. So, that is the unknown square wafer lock from Nigby. I guess it's an L&F from England. So, thank you, Nigby. Very awesome package. Very much appreciated. You're awesome, man.